Well, today we're going to learn how to face paint this rainbow tiger. I'm using Fusion White, this Caribbean Cool Arty Cake by SillyFarm, as well as a number 4 round brush, number 6, number 2 round brush. Using a petal sponge, I'm picking up the colours that I want to use. So I'm going to start from the blue right down to where the orange and gold area is. I'm just stippling through the forehead and just making sure that I'm covering that area to define the top of the rainbow tiger's ears and between his eyes as well. Using a half circle sponge, I'm going to pick up some white. This is just tag white, which I use for sponging on, not so much line work. We're going to sponge on the muzzle as well as on top of the eyes and the sides of the tiger's ears. Now for the line work, I'm using my number 4 round brush. I'm going to pick up a good amount of black line work paint that you use and start drawing on the tiger's outline. So first I like to outline his face and then start doing the line work for his tiger stripes, etc. Picking up some line work white with number 6 round brush, we'll do 2 little teardrops from thick to thin to make the tiger's teeth, as well as filling in the bottom lip. I'm going to finish off with outlining the teeth with number 4 round brush using our black. Lastly, outlining the bottom of the lip. And there you have it, a rainbow tiger face paint for you to practice. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment if you have any questions. If there's anything you'd like me to paint, I'm happy to do so. See you in the next one.